Securely back up your virtual machines running on ESXi and vCenter with iDrive BMR. To begin, go to the VMware tab on the dashboard. To add an ESXi host, click the Add ESXi Host button. Enter the ESXi name, IP address, and your user credentials. Click Next and select the virtual machines that you want to back up. Set relevant schedule parameters. You can also force a full image backup if needed. Click Next. Verify all the details and click Confirm. If you need email notifications on all backup activities, click Settings in the menu bar. Go to the Email Notification tab and add the email addresses. If you have multiple ESXi hosts managed through a vCenter server in your environment, you can add the vCenter server and backup and all the VMs with ease. Just go to the vCenter tab and add a vCenter server. Enter the vCenter name and other details. Select the VMs for vCenter backup. Schedule the parameters. Verify the details and click Confirm. View the progress of all VMware backups in the Activities section.